of Major Dhyan Chand. Great morning, my respected teachers and my friends. I am Tanay Bhaskar Tajne from class 7th A. Activity Biography of Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand Singh is regarded as national's greatest hockey player of all time. Dhyan Chand Singh. He was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad. Dhyan Chand's father Sameshwar Singh was in British Indian Army and Sharda Singh was his mother. Major Dhyan Chand Singh earned 3 Olympics gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. He joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 in 1922. There supposedly is a statue dedicated to former Indian hockey great Dhyan Chand with 4 hands and 4 hockey sticks, erected by a sports club in Vienna. Hitler met Dhyan Chand in Berlin Olympics in 1936. He was awarded India's third highest civilization honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956 by the Government of India. Recently, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is changed to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. It is India's highest sporting honor in the sports and games. Government of India decided to celebrate his birthday as the National Sport Day. He learned hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. Indian Postal Department paid tribute to him, issued stamps in his honors. Thank you. He has scored more than 400 international goals in his career. Major Dhyan Chand died on 3rd December 1979 at the age of 74, but people all over the world will always remember him as the magician of hockey. After India played first match in the 1936 Olympics, Dhyan Chand's magical skills drew crowd to the hockey field. It doesn't end here. Hockey auditories in the Netherlands once broke his hockey stick to check if there is a magnet inside. Once he went to a tournament in Ahmedabad and they turned him away as not knowing with who. To honor Dhyan Chand, the residents of Vienna, Australia had set up a statue with 4 arms with 4 hockey sticks, depicting his master in the game. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.